The buttonholes on the Pfaff sewing machines are amazing and amazingly easy. So let's just take it up one level and let's talk about what it takes to make a corded buttonhole. Since buttonhole foot number 5 is set up to hold a cord, and when you stitch over a cord it makes these buttonholes look a lot more pronounced. They're very stable, so if you're working on anything like a fleece or a wool, it makes them not sink into the nap of the fabric so much. So you just got to try them out, and they're just as easy as doing regular ones. So we have foot 5 on. Stitch number 26 is selected. Everything else is the same. We do have a button in the back of the foot. And let me just go ahead and show you what we're going to do. You're going to take some cord and you're going to link it behind the foot on that small little nub on the back. And then you're going to bring it up into the small little catch on the front of the foot. And what it'll do is it'll keep the cord easily guided to be stitched over by the buttonhole. So I'm not going to put this on right this second. I'm going to put the foot back on the machine and get set up for the buttonhole. Then the cord goes on absolutely last. So we're going to start by sliding the cord underneath the presser foot, hooking around the back side, and then just bringing it up into the little fingers that hold it in place. So when you lower the presser foot down, all you need to do is go ahead and stitch, and the machine will go ahead and just stitch over the cord. The cord stays right where it needs to be and makes it, oh, these are always so pretty. But let me show you the little trick at the end. And don't forget, I did pull down the little buttonhole indicator here so it can track how big the button is in the back of the foot. And listen for it. There is a cut at the end of the buttonhole pre-programmed. Let's go ahead and lift this up. You can let go of the cord and then go ahead and pull it off the back part. Now here's what you do at the end. You take a hold of one of the cords. If one is a little harder to pull, just see if the other one is a little easier. Let's do the first one here. And then as you pull it, it will easily travel down through the cords, and I can tell I caught just a little bit, but I'll just go ahead and trim this. You can see immediately that this is nicely filled in. It's got an amazing looking satin stitch. It's very stable, and it is ready for any type of kind of denser fabric. A corded buttonhole is the way to go when you really want to look good.